Drumsticks. I hope y'all are all doing well. My name is Jalen, and I am a drummer, and I've been playing drums for about 18 years now. Started out playing drums when I was 4 years old. Been playing since then, and started out playing in church. That's actually how I started playing. That's how I learned. And when I was 4, I just kind of hopped on the drum kit and really just experimented around and just got better and better as time went by. And so since then I've been playing and I've enjoyed it, and it's really changed my life. And music as a whole has just really structured me as a person, made me who I am today. And so I'm thankful to, be with you guys and be able to make this video for you guys today. So currently I love the Collision 5AR drumstick. This is my favorite drumstick. Very durable. I've been using the same one for about a month now. Like, I've been using the same pair, and they're very durable. My favorite drumstick right now. I highly recommend going out and getting it. Very, very, very durable. Very good grip. Very good at anything you need done. I prefer the 5AR because it's a little heavier, and I play a lot of rock music, punk rock, heavy metal. That's my area, my wheelhouse. I love rock music, and I've really been playing it ever since I started this musical journey. About 3-4 months ago, I started playing on YouTube and really putting my content and music out on that platform, and then started posting on Instagram, TikTok, and it's really just been from there. I've been posting since April, late April. That's when I first started on posting content and making music and really putting my stuff out there on the internet. And so I really do enjoy it. And so what I'm about to play for you all today is Cynical by Blink-182.